Oh, I see something that's very historic. Thunderbolt. Just letting a fellow here take some pictures. Didn't want to get in the way. Photo bomb. Wow. Little history they got there on the Thunderbolt. Neat. See the four speed there. All it says is Fairlane 500 at the back, so you wouldn't know what you're dealing with until you actually look at the side of the car. Okay, we'll come back and check out this guy in a sec. What we got here to see soon? Oh, there's another rare car, a Max Wedge over there. We got to check out the Mustang before I walk by it and forget. Cool little slideshow showing the build. Oops. Cool.
Oh, that's all right.
Twin turbos? That's what I think it is. Big Willwoods on there. Brembo, I mean. Big brakes. Yeah, twin turbo setup. Wow, look at that, eh? Oh, no. Is that a... I forget the name of that motor. Anybody recognize that? I forget the name. It's going to come to me in a second. I'm going to cheat. I'm looking at the engine here. 5.4. It's a 5.4 liter twin turbo. It's ever good. We'll go straight up. We're going to move on. I'm excited to see another rare car. It's a 60 something. 63 probably. Or 2, 3. Dodge Max Wedge.
I've never seen one like this.
Everybody knows this motor. This was the badass motor of its day. I saw it's a 63. I couldn't remember. On paper, I saw it was a 63. Isn't that neat, eh? 330. Polara Dodge 330. Everything's different on this. Relocated battery, factory, to the back. Big battery to turn over that big motor. That's a nice treat to see.